This is a poem that I wrote. It's called The Sound of Time. The clock ticks, the clock talks, the alarm clock beeps. Oh no, I can't go back to sleep, because if I go back to sleep, I will run out of time. The cuckoo clock has a bird I hear hourly, day after day. I also hear the clang of the grandfather clock, which I also hear it hourly. Oh, the sounds of time. Even though sometimes it drives me crazy, I don't know where I would be without time being on my side. I would be lost. But I have God on my side, and I know I am not lost and I am not forgotten. So this was a poem that I wrote today. So I hope everyone has a great day and everyone's doing fine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Thank you for watching.